Hello guys and welcome back to Salty Tales. Today,
Yes! Welcome back to Salty Tales, guys. Today we have something amazing!
Why do you have to scream?
Because it's amazing, and if it's amazing, you have to put the emphasis on the amazing.
Whatever.
It's
Today
good.
we're having chili con carne.
Chili con carne. Chili with meat.
Beef chili beef.
Today we're having chili beef for you guys, because I know you guys like the beef. So I think it's gonna be amazing. So look at all the things we have here, man.
Yeah, look how pretty.
And this thing is something that we do pretty often here, at least once a week, and we love it.
Yes.
So we're gonna bring it for you guys to learn how to make it and to try it at home. So as always, I'm gonna be filming. Miss Ninja is gonna be cooking. And that other ninja is gonna be doing everything else.
Yes.
Let's go for it.
Let's go. Okay guys, as usual, don't forget to preheat your Ninja. So let's go and set it up. Let's turn it on. See your saute. Open your lid and start it. We'll see you back in 5 minutes. Since our Ninja has been preheated already, what we're gonna use is some olive oil, just a little bit, because we're gonna go ahead and sear and saute our veggies. The first thing we're gonna use is a cup of onions. Ooh, hear that shh. I love it. Then we're going to add 1 small red pepper and 1 yellow pepper. And we're gonna use 2 garlic cloves. There we go. Oh my gosh, this already smells so good. And let's wait until our onions, they're totally see-through. Let's give it a few minutes. Now at this point, what we're gonna use, it's 1 cube of beef stock. Let's put them in here. Mix them around. See how our onions is changing colors? Now at this point, we're just going to start adding a little bit of water so we can deglaze the bottom of our Ninja. You see how at this point the beef stock is changing? I mean, it's getting softer. There we go. That's where we're adding that little bit of the water. Now that we have deglazed the bottom, we're going to add our ground chuck. And this is 1.25 pounds. So let's go ahead and add them up. Smells so good. I love it. We're gonna start adding all our condiments. We're gonna use some smoked paprika. All the details, they're gonna be up on the top or down on the description box. Cajun pepper, little bit of garlic powder, chili powder, coriander, little bit of salt. Let's mix them all. And let's add the rest of our ingredients so we can go ahead and finish our chili con carne. It's super quick. A can of diced tomatoes, a can of red kidney beans, a can of sweet corn, which is my favorite, and we're gonna use some tomato paste. I will say about 1.5 tablespoons. Let's go ahead and mix everything. Oh my God, look at this, how pretty. This looks so good. And at this point, we're going to add a cup of water. If you like your chili really thick, just use a cup of water. You can see here how the water is even with all the rest of the ingredients. If you want it a little less thicker, just go ahead and add up a little bit more water. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and set up our pressure cooker. The first thing we need is our lid. Pressure, high, 7 minutes. Always make sure that your bulb is in seal. And we'll see you back in 7 minutes. Okay guys, now at this point, we're gonna do a quick release. Okay, let's go ahead and open up our chili con carne. Whoa, look how beautiful. It looks so good.
Like it. You like it. So watch my body just take it all in. Just take it all in. Just take it all in. So pay attention. I'm coming your way. I'm coming your way.
Well. This is looking good. This is smelling even better, guys. You have to smell this thing. This thing is amazing.
It looks beautiful.
And it looks beautiful. Look at that. Look like a flower or something. Look at that.
This.
So nice.
So,
I'm ready for it.
me too. I'm more than ready, so
Let's try it.
let's go.
I'm gonna try it with the nacho. You know, I'm a nacho fan.
Those are called topopos.
Go nacho.
Topopos. Look how pretty here. You know what, guys? I top it off with some shredded jack and cheddar cheese and sour cream
Look at
and
the
some
cheese.
guacamole hot sauce.
So good.
Really good.
This is really, really good, guys.
Really good.
I mean, we eat this thing very often here
Yes.
because it's so easy to make, and it's a good meal to have. You know, it has protein and it has everything in there, and the flavor of the meat is awesome. But if you can put a little bit of white rice in here, or some tortillas to make a taco or something like that, it's gonna be even better. This thing is amazing, guys. I love it. Man, I'm hungry too.
Me too. This is dinner time in this house.
I'm real hungry.
So let's eat.
Oof.
And let's say goodbye. No, just kidding.
Look, this is how you do it. You fill it up like that. Oh man.
Look at this. Yum, yum.
So good. That pound and a quarter we just made, guys, it can easily feed 5 people. Easy, no problem at all. People that eats a lot, you know, like.
How about this?
So it's a good thing to have. It's amazing. It's a really, really good meal.
It's quick.
It's quick.
If you don't want to add on the corn, it's okay. But I love the corn in my chili. Love it.
Well, guys, as you can see, we're gonna have to finish this dinner today.
Yes.
And I just wanted to ask you a few things. You know, if you guys want us to do anything, please put it down there in the comments.
Yes.
We're always looking for ideas and looking for ways to please you guys. So whatever you have to say, please put it down there in the comments. And also, we're coming out with we're trying to make a little bit more variations of the food, as you can see. And next week we're gonna come out with a really good one that I know you guys are gonna love.
Yes.
So, you know, keep tuned to next week. If you want to help us with the channel, please share the video with your friends, with whomever might be interested in it. Please also hit us with a like.
Yes.
If you like the video, and if you want to see more videos like this one, just subscribe to the channel.
Yes.
Leave all your comments or your whatever you have to say, everything that you have in mind. Leave it down there in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Love you.
We love you.
You like it.